As you already know, the Steam Deck store is massive with plenty of games to choose from. But what about other games that you want to play, like perhaps Fortnite or even Rocket League? Rocket League used to be on the Steam store, but it's been discontinued and is only on the Epic Game Store. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Epic Game Launcher on your Steam Deck via the SteamOS side as well as Windows. Now for SteamOS, the fastest way to access the Epic Game Store is by using a community-made open source Heroic Game Launcher. If you have no interest in installing Windows on your device, this will be the quickest option because that is designed for Linux. It's also compatible with the Steam Deck. Now the Heroic Game Launcher can be manually downloaded as a Flatpak archive. The links will be down in the description. And if you like the content that I'm putting out on this page, make sure to leave a like for more how-tos, best games, best emulated games for the year 2024. Now to go ahead and start this process, on your Steam Deck you're going to want to hit the Steam button, scroll down to Power, and switch to the desktop. Once you're on your desktop, locate and open the Discover app. It's pinned on your desktop on your taskbar. If you still can't find it, then go to your applications drawer and go to the system tab and you will see it. Using the search bar, you're going to want to type Heroic Game Launcher. It should be the first option that shows up and all you have to do is hit install. And now you have the Epic Game Store running on your Steam Deck. But we still have to do a little bit more work because you don't want to switch to the desktop version just to go ahead and play this. You want to play this on your Steam side, your gaming mode side. To do this, you want to remain in your desktop mode, open up Steam, and you should see an option that says add a non-Steam game to your library. Make sure you go to the Games tab and you should see that option. Once that window pops up with a list of applications that's on there, you want to go ahead and navigate to the Heroic Game Launcher. Check the box that's right next to it that says add selected programs and return to your gaming mode. Back in your gaming user interface, you should find the Heroic Games Launcher in your non-Steam game category. Of course, you can use it to install any Epic game that you want. But also keep in mind that these games do not have the Steam Deck verified functions on it, so you won't know if it's really going to be compatible with your Steam Deck. So if you have any problems, you're going to have to be prepared to troubleshoot that yourself. We covered the fastest way. Now if you want to just really have the official Epic Games Launcher on your Steam Deck OS, there's still a way to do that as well. To do this, return back to your desktop version of your Steam side. Open up your browser, whether it's Firefox or whichever one you're using. Go ahead and go to the Epic Games Store website and hit the download button to go ahead and download the Windows.msi installation file. You're going to want to repeat the same steps. Add a non-Steam game to your library. That same window is going to pop up and ask you to add the game and choose that game in the list of applications. But you're going to ignore that. You're going to click Browse. You're going to navigate to the folder containing the Epic installer file that you just downloaded. Now change the file type filter from applications to all files. If you don't do that, then the application is going to remain invisible. Once you've done that, you should see the application. Go ahead and make a check mark by it and add it. Now you're going to want to highlight that application and right click it. Why? Because you want to hit properties. On the left side, you should see compatibility and you're going to want to go into it. Check the force the user of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. From that drop down, you're going to select the most recent stable build of Proton, not Proton Experimental. Launch the installer from your non-Steam games category from your desktop version of Steam and follow the instructions to install it just like normal. This is why I said if you wanted it really fast, the Heroic Game Launcher was the best one, because we're still not done here. With this method, we've just installed the Epic Games Launcher, their official Epic Games Launcher. But to get it to open, we're going to have to make one more tweak. Of course, the file we just ran is designed for Windows, but we're not running on Windows. Steam is on Linux. So in other words, we need to tell Steam where to find the installation directory. Open your file manager, which should be Dolphin. It should be located on the bottom of your taskbar, and navigate to this directory: home/deck/dot/local/steam/steamapps/compatdata. In here, you're going to see a bunch of folders, names, and strings of numbers. These are the applications and games that's actually installed on your Steam Deck right now. And we're going to have to figure out which one is Epic Games that we just installed. Now, the non-Steam games should have a higher number than the official games. You're going to want to search for the folder with the longest number and search for this directory. Once you found it, you should see that it contains the Epic Games Launcher.exe, the file that we need to complete our installation. You're going to right click that exe file, the Epic Games Launcher.exe file, copy the location. Once you're done that, you're going to want to go back to Steam, go back to that Epic installer that you just added as a non-Steam game, hit properties. You're going to clear the target field and paste the location that we just copied. This is going to actually show Steam where that exe file is. After that, you're going to clear the *in field and paste the same, but this time delete everything after program files /Epic Games. This is going to point Steam to the correct Epic Games directory. And just like that, you're done. But like I stated at the beginning, this method is way too long and may be too complex for certain people. It's much easier to just download the Heroic Game Launcher. And if your Steam Deck is dual booted like mine and you have a Windows side, installing the Epic Games Launcher is very easy. You just download it, install it on Windows, and add that as a non-Steam game to your Windows side. Now, if you have decided that you have your Epic games, you have your Steam games, but you still want to play older style games, like maybe from GameCube, PlayStation 2, 3, and so on, but you don't know how to do that, that's where you dive into the world of emulation. If you want me to make another video explaining emulation and how you can do it on your Steam Deck, let me know in the comment section below. I have a video where I'm explaining the best emulated games that you can try right now on your Steam Deck, starting from the original PlayStation all the way up into the PlayStation 3. I'm really curious to know what mods and what games do you have on your Steam Deck. Do you have emulation games on your Steam Deck? Have you modded your Steam Deck in any type of way? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in this video.